Hey everybody, this is Jacques.Wakefield with a very uh awesome video today. This is just so huge and I want y'all guys to get on board with this. You know, a lot of people want to get in the stock market, but a lot of the companies they want to get in is too high. The prices is just, keep soaring and soaring. And I understand, man. People got, rent, they got utility, they got car bill, health insurance. I mean, it's just food, cable, it's just so many bills that people gotta pay, and it's just rough out here. And I understand y'all's pain that's out there. People got student loans or whatnot, but people want to get in the stock market. A lot of people think stock market is just for rich people, but no, it's not. I mean, you can get whole shares, but a lot of them are so expensive. But with this right here, now you're able to buy fractions of shares. So this is huge. I've been seeing this for about a month or two, maybe even 3, 4 months, maybe, but I know at least 2 or 3 months. And I didn't know was this the real deal, but I found some respectable people and done my research on this. This is real. So you can invest any amount of money in any stock and own fractions of shares. So this is incredible. Also, when you join under the link that I'm gonna put under this video, once you get your account approved, you're gonna get a free slice of stock that the company public is going to give you. So all you got to do is register and get your account approved. It don't take let me see, maybe about 5 minutes at the most, maybe not even that long to get set up. And this is gonna be huge. You can invest from $1 on up. You see right here, a whole new way to invest. Public makes it possible to own the companies you believe in with any amount of money, commission free. That's also huge. I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, it ain't nothing like it. And also, you can invest not only in stock, you can invest in ETFs from Vanguard and BlackRock. Okay, for the people who don't know about Vanguard and BlackRock, they're huge. They're the top two. Because I've been, learning this stock stuff for a while. They're the top two investment firms in the United States. They specialize in ETFs and index funds. And you can even get a fraction of those two also with the stock. And let me let me give you the answer to this question. A lot of people say, well, some of these stocks are dividend stocks. Am I going to get a dividend because I got a fraction of a stock? The answer is yes. So, say for instance, P&G is a dividend stock. AT&T is a dividend stock. I don't know about McDonald's. Coca-Cola, I know this because I research stock anyway, you know. But yes, not only can you invest in these stocks and get fractions of stock, you can also invest in ETFs, which is super huge. Okay, you see right here, buy slices of stock. Invest in any public stock or any amount of money, no matter the price per share. I already went over zero commissions. Also, yeah, this is huge too. You're gonna earn whatever in your account that's under $10,000 that's just sitting in there that ain't invested. you're going to make 2.5% interest. That's better than any savings account out here in the United States. Also, they got their own community, you know, where you can follow people. Like on social media, you can follow, you can exchange ideas within a transparent community of friends and subject matter experts. And this is also huge. SIPC Protection, that's Securities Investors Protection Corporation. So you can put up to $500,000 in here. And if something were to happen to some, your money is insured, so you don't got nothing to worry about. Cause for a while, I didn't know if I trusted this site, but I've been in it for a while now. But uh, you know, it's just the real deal. But out like ain't nothing wrong with being skeptical, but you don't got to be skeptical no more because I done all the research and I've been in it for a while now. So you gonna be all right on that. And yeah, when you refer people, you're gonna get a slice of stock. They choose what stock they're gonna give you. You get a slice of stock, and then when your friend approves their account, they're gonna get a slice of stock. Both of y'all get y'all a slice of stock when the company approves you, and that ain't even gonna take long to do. It only take like 5 minutes, if that, to get everything set up. So yeah, man, like I told you, you can follow other investors that change ideas, see their portfolios of how much money they investing in, how much money they put in a specific stock, and you can discuss the news. But look, this is huge. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. You want to put $1 in Facebook, you can do that. You want to put $5 in Microsoft, you can do that. See Microsoft right there? You want to put money in Visa, any public trading stock, you can put it in a little amount. Because I know some of these, you want to invest in some of these companies, but it's too high to get a whole share. In the dividend paying stocks, you're going to get dividends even by buying a fraction. So I went on and answered that because I know people going to want to know that. So, like I say, y'all need to join this. This is going to be huge from years to come. You SIPC protected up to $500,000 in your account, so you know it ain't no bull jive. Sign up under me and get this thing going, y'all. I'm telling you. I mean, set you up and your kids up for life. And then when you sign up under me, promote, tell people about this. I'm telling you, this is one of these opportunities that is gold. I was skeptical at first too, but not no more. I done talked to too many people and I've been in it for a while, and it's the real deal. Y'all need to jump on board right now. Look, I ain't gonna talk y'all, to death or whatnot, but you can tell I'm more laid back in videos. But hey, I'm a little pumped for this one. So look, the link gonna be below. Give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below, so you can see what I got going on. Besides this, I do a whole lot of other stuff, but like I told you, subscribe most definitely, because I've been doing all this affiliate marketing stuff for a long time. I think about 13 years next month. Matter of fact, a month from today. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, but set up your account. And yeah, go on, link your bank account on to it too, so you'll have everything set up. And then you just go in there, you want to invest $1, whatever. You can make deposits in your account, and then you just go and invest, and that's it. I mean, but I know people could be skeptical. Hey, do your due diligence. But look, y'all have a wonderful day. I'm out. Peace.